In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive Autosave. Whether you're looking to change how your files save across devices or simply want more control over your data, this guide will walk you through the process in a straightforward and easy to understand way. First, make sure you're logged into your computer. From your desktop, locate the OneDrive Cloud icon in the system tray at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click on the arrow to view hidden icons. Once you've found the OneDrive icon, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Select Settings from this list. A new window will pop up displaying the OneDrive settings. You'll notice several tabs at the top, so go ahead and click on the Backup tab. This is where you'll find the controls for autosave and device backups. Now, under the Important PC Folders section, you'll see options related to documents, pictures, and desktop files. Each file category shows whether it's currently being backed up to OneDrive or not. To turn off autosave for a specific category, click on the Manage Backup button, which opens another window. Here, you'll find a list of your folders along with checkboxes indicating their current backup status. Simply uncheck the boxes next to each folder you don't want to autosave. Once you've unchecked the desired folders, click Stop Backup for each one. A confirmation message will appear, alerting you that stopping backups will mean files won't automatically sync with OneDrive anymore. Confirm your decision, and these folders will stop autosaving to OneDrive. Now, let's talk about what this means for your files. Turning off autosave means these files will remain on your computer's local storage instead of syncing automatically to OneDrive. You can still manually move files to OneDrive if you choose, but they won't transition there by default. Keep this in mind if you travel or work on multiple devices, as files you don't manually save in OneDrive won't be accessible from other devices. Also, it's crucial to occasionally back up your files elsewhere if you choose not to use OneDrive, as a local-only setup means if something happens to your computer, those files might be lost. You might want to invest in an external hard drive or consider other cloud storage services for your backup needs. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off OneDrive's autosave feature. Remember, if you change your mind, you can always revisit these settings and turn backups back on. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.